The DJI Mini 5 Pro is generating a lot of buzz as fans eagerly await the next chapter in DJI's highly popular Mini series. Known for delivering compact yet powerful drones, DJI has consistently raised the bar in the world of aerial photography. While the company has recently ventured into ultra-compact designs like the DJI Neo, tailored for personal vlogging, the Mini series remains a favorite for enthusiasts and professionals alike. In today's video, we'll explore the potential features of the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro and discuss its anticipated release date. Let's dive in. According to a recent leak, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could still be months away, but it might feature LiDAR technology, similar to the high-end Air 3S, making it the first ultralight drone to include this advanced feature. Many trusted drone reporters and well-connected insiders, such as Jasper Ellens, have been cautious about sharing any speculation regarding the Mini 5. The challenge lies in introducing significant upgrades while keeping the drone under the 249G weight limit. However, Ellens has recently acknowledged that this latest leak could carry some weight after all. Not all drone rumors hold the same credibility. Some leakers, especially those with proven track records, tend to grab attention when they post compelling images. Others, like this recent post on Weibo, a popular Chinese microblogging platform, are harder to authenticate. Yet, this particular post has sparked interest, showing what appears to be a new airframe. To top it off, the accompanying text, which translates, "The first spy photos of DJI's new DJI Mini 5 drone have been exposed." The weight of the whole machine is still 249 grams. It is positioned as a lightweight and compact entry-level drone, equipped with DJI LiDAR and a more powerful motor. It is expected to be released in the summer of 2025. The newly leaked image reveals vented motors, which are likely more powerful. However, given the strict 249G weight limit for this category, any new features will require trade-offs elsewhere, most likely in the battery. Of course, the mere existence of a rumor doesn't carry much weight. It's easy to take an existing model number, add one, and throw in a flashy feature from another drone, like LiDAR from the DJI Air 3S, to create speculation. What makes this particular rumor more intriguing is that it has caught the attention of Jasper Ellens, a respected voice in the drone community. His acknowledgement suggests there may be something to it after all. That said, it doesn't necessarily mean the DJI Mini 5 Pro is arriving anytime soon. Summer 2025 is still a long way off. Personally, I still agree with Ellens' initial skepticism. The Mini 4 Pro is already an excellent drone. It's readily available, and while LiDAR on the Air 3S sounded exciting, my test revealed it's less impressive in daylight conditions, which is when most drone pilots typically fly. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.